E-visits in MyChart let you get medical advice for non-urgent health issues without leaving home. Your physician can offer medical guidance for at-home care or direct you to schedule an in-person appointment for treatment. Just answer questions about your symptoms and, if requested, send photos for a physician or nurse to review. Like with emails and texts, you can respond when it's convenient for you, so you don't need to interrupt your daily routine to find care. I'll show you how e-visits work on the MyChart website, but the steps on the mobile app will be similar. Let's say you want to talk to your physician because you have pink eye symptoms. Log into your MyChart account. From the menu, select e-visit. Your symptoms aren't urgent, so select Continue. Verify your location so you can be matched with a licensed physician in your state. Let the physician know why you're here. Check that the information you entered for this visit looks correct, then continue to the next screen. Now review your information, such as contacts, your primary care provider, and your insurance details. If you're a new patient, you might need to sign some consent forms. You can do that now. Depending on your insurance coverage and your healthcare organization's policies, you might need to prepay for the visit. Confirm your current medications and your preferred pharmacy. Any medications prescribed for this visit will be sent here. Then verify your allergies and health issues. Your organization might require more information for reimbursement or insurance. Now answer the symptom-specific questions. Your responses help your physician better diagnose your issue. Check your responses and select Submit. Your physician might ask follow-up questions or request additional images. Then, she can either provide care virtually, such as prescribing eye drops, or contact you to schedule an in-person appointment for further assessment and treatment. When the physician reviews your responses, you'll see a notification on your health feed. Click it to see her reply. Your physician prescribed you eye drops, which you'll be able to pick up later at your preferred pharmacy. After your e-visit, you receive a notification on your health feed with a link to your after-visit summary in case you need to review any instructions. And now you know how easy it is to start an e-visit. Thanks for watching. To learn more about how to use MyChart, check out our other videos.